Hi friends, once again welcome to Civil Architecture Tutorials channel. Today we discuss regarding the differences between abutment, piers and columns. So we heard a lot about abutments, uh, columns and piers, but some of us may not know the difference between these two. So I just think to make a video on these differences between piers, columns and abutment. So take the case of a bridge. A bridge can be a metro train bridge or a bridge which crosses a river. Okay, so in that case, uh, river will go, and on the two sides of the river you can see two banks of river. That is the land area on two sides of river. So in to connect between one land area to the other land area of the river, across the river, we need to make a bridge. So the area from where a bridge starts and also the area where the bridge ends, these two areas, that particular area, we are making abutments. So actually what is called an abutment? Abutment is the concession which we make to support the embankment of a river and will support that particular side and also takes the vertical and horizontal load of the bridge and also the load coming on the side of the abutment. Okay, so it can be made of rocks, or it may be somewhere it may be earth itself and nothing else, only the earth, and most case it can be made up of RCC. So RCC is far better than rocks or earth, but in olden times we can see they are mainly using the run rubble masonry there. Somewhere they are using brick masonry, but in recent times they are using only going for RCC, because so that it is more durable than the other structures. So this is the abutment. Let us see what is called abutment. See, this is the bridge. This line is the bridge. This is the abutment in this side. This is the abutment in this side. This is the river. So to safeguard this embankment area, we make some run rubble masonry or whatever it is, like I said before, brick masonry or RCC structure. So this area is called abutment. Then comes what is called pier. Pier also, if you know, as you know, most of the metro cities in India is now having the metro trains. So these trains are also running on the on a bridge, metro train bridge, and this bridge is also supporting on pillars, which are called piers, PIERS. Okay, nowadays most of the addresses of all the shops, if you go to Cochin, you can see my shop is just opposite to the pillar number 72, 73, like that. So this pillar is called pier. So what is called pier? Pier is whatever comes between the two embankments. That is, like I said before, the two abutment. This is one abutment. This is one abutment. So in between, what all pillar? Like see, this abutment is a bridge, and how many columns are coming? Pier is a type of column. So how many number of columns coming in between these abutments are called piers. It can be two or more than two. It depends upon the length of the bridge. But in a bridge there are only two abutments. That is on both sides of the bridge. But it could be more than two piers. Understand? And one difference is that there is a difference. And the third one is, so this pier is also called column. I said it's a kind of column. And what is called column? Column is a member which transmits the vertical load, with a vertical member which transmits the vertical load which comes on it from the slab and beam on top of it, and that is called the bridge. The bridge consisting of slab and beam, so that and also the vehicle load. These three loads coming on this bridge get transferred through the column to the footing. So that is the function of the column. Pier also is doing the same thing. Here it also transfers the same vehicle load and the bridge load, slab load, and the beam load coming on top of it and transfer to the footing. So if column will ascend top, it is just transferred to the footing. So what is the difference between pier and column? That also you can, because pier, I said before that pier is a kind of column. So what is the difference actually? Difference, usually pier is coming on top of a base, and this base is coming on top of one pile or two or three piles depending upon the load that is transferring from the pier to the earth surface. So pier is something which comes on piles. Okay, number of piles depends upon the load, but column will come upon a column base only. So in other words, we can say that a pier is a big column. When the column grows bigger, it can be a pier, but it will stand upon pile only. So that's the difference. So I think by today's video, you understand the difference between abutment, pier, and column. So I will come with another video with another subject. So till then, goodbye. Please subscribe my channel, like it, and share it. Thank you very much.